Hi, it's Michael Hankerson with Hankerson Team Luxury Division. Please join me on a tour of this amazing McCormick Ranch home.
Welcome to this beautiful new luxury home in McCormick Ranch. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, an office and a flex room, this 3,700 square foot home sits on more than a half-acre lot. A large front patio is perfect for spending time with friends and neighbors. As you enter, you're greeted by a stunning light fixture, beautiful white oak floors, and abundant natural light. The open floor plan highlights a large quartzite island in the chef's dream kitchen, tall ceilings, and distinctive baseboards. This chef's dream kitchen is designed for both style and function. The centerpiece is a large natural quartzite island, perfect for preparing meals or gathering with family and friends. Surrounding it are tall, sleek, white cabinets that offer ample storage and create a bright, clean look. The stone backsplash adds texture and depth, and a professional 6-burner gas range anchors the cooking area. With contrasting cabinetry beneath the island and an open layout, this kitchen truly serves as the focal point of the home, ideal for entertaining and everyday living, while the modern light fixtures above tie the space together, supported by multiple dishwashers and generous counter space. The backyard is perfect for gatherings, with a covered patio featuring seating, dining, and a built-in BBQ. Travertine tile surrounds the large pool, while artificial turf adds colour and low maintenance. An RV gate and concrete pad offer parking for toys and cars. The family room features an electric fireplace and opens seamlessly to the kitchen and dining area. At one end, a stylish bar includes a wine fridge, beverage refrigerator, and bold black cabinetry. Walking toward the private primary suite, which is perfectly situated at the back of the home. The primary bedroom is filled with natural light streaming in from large glass doors that beautifully frame relaxing views of the pool and backyard, creating a serene atmosphere. The primary bathroom offers generous cabinet storage, separate vanities with sinks, and a large shower room with a soaking tub and multiple shower heads, perfect for a relaxing spa experience. The spacious walk-in closet includes abundant shelving and organized storage throughout. A stylish half bathroom sits just off the hallway. The flex room features white oak floors and can serve as a teen room, playroom, or personal workout space. Bedroom 2 includes its own ensuite bathroom. Bedroom 3 connects to bedroom 4 through a convenient Jack and Jill bathroom. The connecting bath features white cabinets, gold hardware, and elegant finishes. Bedroom 4 completes the wing with generous space and a peaceful feel. Walking down the hallway, we return toward the main living area. Passing through the family room and kitchen, we reach the west wing, where a formal office overlooks the pool. The laundry room includes 2 stackable washers and dryers, black cabinetry, and a sink for added convenience. Close to the Greenbelt Park, you can reach Cochise Elementary and Mountain View Park without crossing Mountain View Road.
If you'd like to see this home in person, please call or text Michael Hankerson at 602-770-7205. Thanks, and have a great day.